Welcome to your new home in Boerum Hill, Brooklyn, just steps from downtown Brooklyn, the Barclays Center, and Atlantic Terminal. This is a penthouse duplex apartment, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offered at $6,000 a month, where modern design meets unbeatable location. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by a small entry foyer. To your right, you will find the intercom and security system, giving you full control to grant access to guests through the buzzer. From there, the space opens up to a bright and expansive living room with 2 large windows that fill the home with natural sunlight. Off the living room, you will also find a spacious closet for storage and a door leading to your private balcony, where you can enjoy incredible views of downtown Brooklyn and the Manhattan skyline. To your right is the kitchen area, complete with brand new stainless steel appliances and sleek finishes. On this floor, you will also have your in-unit washer and dryer hookup and the first full bathroom, designed with modern fixtures and style in mind. Upstairs, the duplex layout offers private bedrooms and an additional bathroom, giving you the perfect balance of space for relaxation and entertaining. This apartment includes central heating and air conditioning, individual thermostat controls, and heat and hot water included in the rent. You will also have access to the common roof deck, perfect for enjoying summer evenings, and fence-secured parking is available for $450 a month. The building is further equipped with closed-circuit TV for added security. And let's talk location. Living here puts you at the center of it all. Steps from the Barclays Center, where world-class entertainment, concerts, and events take place. The Atlantic Terminal Mall offers shopping, dining, and everyday essentials. With the MTA hub at Atlantic Avenue and the Long Island Railroad, you will have effortless access to Manhattan, Queens, Long Island, and beyond. Nearby highways make driving just as convenient. This pet-friendly home truly combines modern luxury with one of Brooklyn's most connected neighborhoods. Contact U2 Apartment at 646-504-4483 today to have your questions answered and to make this stunning Boerum Hill penthouse duplex your new home.